Spunky, if we're going 80 miles per hour, how long will it take us to go 80 miles? I know, you're just like those other idiots on the internet. You're having to contemplate over this because you're a dog and you have zero concept of miles per hour. Spunky, stop ignoring me. 80 miles per hour. How long will it take to go 80 miles? Spunky, tell me. Spunky. Cinnamon. Do you know the answer? Spunky. You're embarrassed because you don't know. You don't understand the concept. Cinnamon, do you know? Do you know? Do you get this? Stop. Cinnamon. Alright. It's 1 hour, guys. 1 hour. 1 hour, Spunky. Now you're smarter. Now you know. Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside?